Okay. Uniform slash behind that we're playing some more Undertale! The Genocide Run. Sorry. So, Sans, when's the human showing up? I want to look my Sunday best. Or at least my Tuesday pretty good. Don't you only have one outfit? Yeah, but I couldn't style my hair. Oh, right. Good idea. Hey, why don't you look over there? It's so funny. Sans! Oh my god! I'm dizzy. What am I looking at? Behold. Rock. Oh my god! Every time I look at a rock. Hey, get in front of the rock. Oh my god! I have no idea what it is. Oh my god. Well, it's not a rock. That's a rock? I'm the rock. Oh no! A process of elimination. That means it's a human! Human! Prepare yourself for high jinks, low jinks, dangers, puzzles, capers, being captured, and other sorts of fun activities. Refreshments will be provided if you're there. And you don't even bat an eye, huh? Sans is getting really dunked. Ah! What a lovely day. For murder. It's dunked on. This is fun. It dunked. Ah! Can't move an inch. Moving? You won 30 HP. What are my stats? I need 19. I don't know how many. So every time I save, it'll just tell me how many other homies there are. So, do I get the wrong numbers on? Oh no, it's the guy. Think how many items. Snap! Item. Sure, I guess I could use a little bit of monster candy. Because I can, I'm just gonna apply the bandage. Hello, I'm a snowman. I cannot move. Travel, if you could, you get the snowman piece. Oh, me, oh, ma, what are you doing? There won't be any left. Yes, no. Can I just keep? Wait. Stop, please. Oh my god. I just killed him. And I ate a piece of him right in front of him. You're so lazy. You were napping all night. I think that's called sleeping. Excuses. Oh, the human arrived. In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzle. I think you'll find this one quite shocking. For you see, this is the invisible. Must be having a crucial shock. You see, where I come from, it's a lovely tradition to suffer through horrible puzzles for no reason. So, walk back there and... Why can't we get a human that like puzzles? Oh my god. It would make my brother happy if he played alone. Nah, I'm just gonna kill everyone. My stream guy's not here, I'm not gonna do this dumb puzzle. Oh yeah, that. I'm gonna have to cut out a lot of this because I have to kill everyone. Snowman, I hope you're ready for. And where's the puzzle? It's right there, on the ground. Trust me, there's no way they'll skip this one. What the heck is in? I'm telling you, everyone likes word searches. Oh my god, I kind of work in this environment. Really? That's my idiot brother for you. I guess despite all that, you still like word searches, huh? That means you can't be that bad. Okay, so 14 left. Okay. So I just gotta, I'm just gonna pause this so I can kill it. Ah! Sorry, lesser dog. I really liked petting you in the previous run. Get dunked on! 18 XP. Alright. See, this is why nobody likes Jerry. I'm getting my revenge, because nobody likes you. So, like, what are you even doing here? First, everyone has to go to the bathroom. See, this guy's an absolute jerk. You just deserve a bad time. Well, can you give me a ride home? No, I can give you a ride to hell. Get wrecked. The Wi-Fi here sucks. That's me. It's dunked on, Jerry. Well, can you give me no? Go. Stop turning off the lights. Get dunked on. Love increase. Yeah, I found this kind of interesting. Look at this. There's a switch here. It has been depressed by vines. Flowey is helping me, I presume. Unless there's like another flower around. No, I think there's only one. Okay. 11 left. Okay, I need to keep murdering people. Gary is such a jerk. I'm going to kill him twice. Get dunked. 9 left. Crap. Okay, here it is. 3 times a charm. Die. Yeah, see, nobody likes Jerry. Don't worry, nobody will miss him. 7 left. Alright, here. The final time Jerry's dead. Dead. Whew. Alright, how many do we have left? 4 left. Oof. Okay, game, how many times do I have to kill Jerry? There's so many Jerrys. Just die already. So boring. I'm gonna get dunked on. Oof. Two left. How many times have I killed Jerry so far? Are you guys counting? Tell me in the comments. But that is everyone. I'm gonna prove it. Determination. Whew. Okay, so I got. I don't like this music. Okay. Yeah, I know what happens. I'm just gonna skip through this. Okay, so we just gotta kill these guys. Dog army. Get dunked on. Don't actually take my wife's fleas. I'm not. People said that's one of the hardest attacks in the game to dodge. It's dunked on. Let's pick human tail. Does humans have tails? Get dunked on. I'll chop you in half. Oh crap. She'll have. Oh god, she is much more aggressive now. Right. Kneel and suffer. But she is triggered. Ooh, my boys. Kaboosh! Get dunked on. I'll do this idiotic puzzle. It's already done for me. I'm just gonna find a save point. It's already done for me. Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna save. Oh my god, no. Hey, it's a human. I'm gonna have to split this up, guys.